guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do this makeup look right here. This makeup screams Indian wedding or any Indian festival. It is super easy and it will hardly take any time of yours and yet looks so gorgeous. If you don't want to use the green, then you can use any other color of your preference instead of the green. But I thought the green really complements the gold a lot. So if you want to see how I do this makeup, then keep watching. So I'm already done with my base, and if you want to see how I do my base, then I have done an in-depth tutorial on how I do my base, and I'll link that video in the description box below. You can go ahead and check. I'll move on to the eyes now and bring you really close so that you can see what's exactly going on. So I'm taking a brown shade which is a little bit more darker than my skin tone, and I'm gonna apply it in the crease of my eyes, mainly focusing on the outer corner and bringing it in. Now I'm going to take a warmer brown which is darker than the previous one and apply it just a little bit lower than the previous eyeshadow. Again, mainly focusing on the outer corner and then bringing it in. Now I'm taking a darker brown and I'm going to just put it in the outer corners of my eyes, almost in the shape of a C, like so. And then slightly blend it with the blending brush very lightly so that there are no harsh lines. Taking a flat brush and taking this beautiful gold, I'm going to apply it from the inner third to the middle of the eyes. Now I take this beautiful white shade and I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. Now taking my Eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to take this green color and apply it in the bottom lash line. Now I take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Regal green and I'm going to apply it in the waterline. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Colossal liner and I'm going to wing my eyes. Now I'm going to take the same green, whatever was left on the brush, I'm just going to extend it outwards so that a little bit of green shows underneath the black liner. So now I'm going to apply mascara and wear false lashes and I'll be right back. So I'm back after applying false lashes and I'm going to go for the lips. Since so much is going on the eyes, I'm going to go for nude lips today, and I'm going to go in with the StudioWest lip liner in the shade Misty Mauve, and I'm going to line the lips and also fill the lips with this. So now I'm going to bronze my face with this Body Shop bronzer. And now I'm going to contour my face using this Maybelline Master Contour Palette. Now I'm going to apply this blush. This is from the Body Shop and it is in the shade Truffle. Now I'm going with this highlighter. This is from the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. I'm going to apply the same white shade in my brow bone. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please like, share and comment. Also subscribe to my channel. I post videos twice a week, and when you click on the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. Don't forget to watch my other videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. I don't know, somehow I'm feeling the Madhuri Dixit vibe. I don't know why.